Preparing to bring your Porsche in for service can seem like a daunting task, but the customer-centric approach taken here at Hennessy Porsche is going to ensure you have a world-class experience. Allow me to walk you through it. Upon arrival, pull your vehicle directly into the service drive under the Enter sign, where you will then be greeted and directed to your service advisor. Once you have been directed to your service advisor, they will go over the scheduled maintenance for your vehicle for that day, as well as address any questions or concerns that you may have. Once you have met with your service advisor, we invite you to enjoy our customer lounge while you wait for your Porsche to be serviced. Here, you will find great amenities such as free Wi-Fi, as well as a variety of drinks, including coffee and snacks to choose from. If you are looking for Porsche parts, you will find the parts department here at Hennessy Porsche, located directly behind the personal design studio. Operating hours are conveniently posted around the exterior of the building near entry doors. Here, you will find all department hours, including sales, service, and parts. We are excited for the opportunity to service your Porsche and cannot wait to welcome you to the Hennessy Porsche family.